Gallo Student Union, as said by the General Secretary of Gallo Student Union, has placed 3-point representation come ultimatum to the government of Arunachal Pradesh, led by Honorable Pema Khandu government. Gallo Student Union has, being the FX Student Union of Gallo Society, has taken education as a very serious note, and Gallo Student Union has been going on educational tour for last 4 to 5 months. In regards to that, Gallo Student Union has taken note of the various difficulties that are being faced by the Gallo students as a whole. So in that regards, Gallo Student Union has submitted a representation. Number one was, as said by the General Secretary Jumrik Bagra, is for the immediate extensions of for the immediate functionalization of extension of Rajiv Gandhi campus at Government College, Kamku, that falls under Kamba Circle. In this regard, for the functionalization, a representation was submitted, first representation was submitted in 8 December 2023. Thereafter, again, as a reminder, on 27 February 2024, the government, getting no response from the government, Gallo Student Union submitted second representation. Thereafter, they submitted again on 11th July and met the Commissioner Education also in person. And also in this regard, the Gallo Student Union had met Minister Education twice or thrice. Now, in this regard, why the importance of functionalization of this RGU campus at Doni Polo Government College, Kamku is required is because the Kamku, though it sounds as a, though the issues are being taken up by the Gallo Student Union, Kamku, Doni Polo Government College, Kamku accommodates students from various districts, various adjoining districts, and the periphery of the of Kamku area under Wasiang districts like Siomi, Siang, Isiang, even from Upper Subansiri district, various students used to come to Kamku for educational purpose. So the government has taken up a proposal for extension of RGU campus, since the RGU at present is required for the extension. So our DPGC College Kamku was selected, and we wholeheartedly welcomed it, and the area people has donated enough land. But now, the said RGU extension is yet to be functionalized. And the second point that the Gallo Student Union is demanding is for the establishment for the functionalization of science stream at Government College, Kamku. This, I would, through you, all the media friends, I would let you know, the public of entire Arunachal Pradesh, is that in the year 2014, already the infrastructure, the buildings, etc., has been constructed in the Kamku College. And it was inaugurated, if I'm not wrong, by the Honorable Minister, Sri Kiren Rijiju, at that time. Now, though the infrastructure is there and ready to be functionalized, yet the science stream is to be notified, and the academic of the science stream has to be started yet. So, for the sake of the student as a whole, for the sake of the entire Wasiang district students and all the periphery district, we, the Gallo Student Union, are demanding for the immediate functionalization of science stream at DPGC College, Kamku. Now, DPGC College, Kamku is only giving the educational courses of BA, BCom. So, there are ample number of students who belong from a marginalized society, who belong from the backward classes and from below poverty family. So in order to pursue science, they have to go out of the district, like in Itanagar or in other states. They have to go. They have to take rent for accommodation if they don't get a hostel facilities. So the students who wants to study science stream at their nearest door are not getting their rights. So though the science stream, all the infrastructure has been constructed, yet the science stream is yet to be function. This demands that the Galo Student Union is being demanding to the state government. And the third point the Galo Student Union is emphasizing is in regards to Government Model College Basar, which was established in the year 2015 by the gazetted notification. Now, Government College Basar is accommodating more than 1,000 students every academic year. But the sad part of the story is that the principal of that institution is yet to get DDO power. And without DDO power being granted to the principal of a very large organization, a large institute like Government Model College, it has affected the administrative functioning of the college. And without DDO power at its hand, for every penny, for every expenditure, petty expenses, they have to rush to the Deputy Commissioner's office. And because of which, the development and the upliftment of the Government Model College Kamki is still at hand. And it needs immediate look into. So, because of the no DDO power, there are no manpower like various manpower, multitasking staff. There is deficiency of such staffs also. Since the stock was taken by the GSU while encouraged to educational too. Now, these are the 3 points that the Galo Student Union has placed in front of the government of Arunachal Pradesh since last 2023, that is now almost 1 year. The Galo Student Union feels it necessary that being a student organization, we need to prioritize the education system, the education sector of our society. So all the demands, all the 3-point demands pertains and it directs to the education system only. So these issues are, if we look at very seriously, these issues are not an impossible task for the PEMA-led government. And we, Galo Student Union also, has a high hope and belief that under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Pema Khandu, all the demands will be met up as soon as possible. But we also make it very clear that though we support the government for the betterment, for better development of the state as a whole, but if the voice of Galo Student Union and if the voice of Galo as a whole is not taken into consideration, the genuine demands are not met up, will resort to democratic movements very soon. So this is the ultimatum to the government. We believe that under the leadership of P.D. Sona, the Education Minister, and Honorable CM, this issue will be resolved very soon, since these issues involve entire Arunachal Pradesh. This is the demand of the Galo Student Union, and this was the reason for calling of this press briefing. And in this regard, we are giving one more ultimatum as a legitimate time is required. So we are giving one more ultimatum to the state government to redress our demand. If failure in fulfilling our demand within months, will resort to democratic movements that might be any kind of forms that will announce later on. गवर्नमेंट का यही डिमांड रहा। हमारा तरफ से तो हमने प्लेस किया है गवर्नमेंट को, गवर्नमेंट का क्या प्रॉब्लम है अभी नोटिफाइड करने के लिए, तो अभी गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर ही हम लोग छोड़ देंगे। कुछ फाइल मूवमेंट हुआ, कुछ फाइल वैक भी आया, तो उसको हम लोग फॉलो अप करेंगे, फॉलो अप कर रहा है। और क्या व्हाट इज़ द रियल इंटेंशन, उनका इंटेंशन क्या है, गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, तो इसके लिए हम लोग अल्टीमेटम दे रहे हैं, वो हम लोग गवर्नमेंट पे छोड़ देंगे। अगर गवर्नमेंट विद इन ये 1 मंथ में अगर नहीं करता है तो हम लोग अपना रिसर्च करेंगे। शायद डिफिकल्टीज कुछ हो रहा होगा, उसके कारण वो नहीं कर पा रहा होगा अगर, लेकिन ये जेन्युइन डिमांड है और ये आउट ऑफ सिलेबस नहीं है, स्टूडेंट का इश्यू ही है। अगर इसको विद इन 1 मंथ सॉल्व नहीं करने से हम लोग डेमोक्रेटिक मूवमेंट करें। थैंक यू।
हम लोग का तरफ से जो कमकी कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सटेंशन और साइंस स्ट्रीम ये के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। उधर हम पहले मेरा स्पीच में बोला है कि उधर कमकी सोसाइटी जो अवेलेबल लैंड दिया है और ऑलरेडी साइंस स्ट्रीम के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तो रेडी है, तो गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से नोटिफाई करना है, इसको फंक्शन करना है। तो गवर्नमेंट इसको 2018 को 2022 को ये किया है, 21 को उधर इनोग्रेशन किया है। 21 से लेके कुछ भी उधर फंक्शन कुछ नहीं हुआ है, तो स्ट्रक्चर रेडी है। और आरजू एक्सटेंशन के लिए ऑलरेडी उधर जाके सर्वे किया है, आरजू एक्सटेंशन लैंड को सर्वे किया है। उधर जो उधर का लोकेलिटी कमकी सोसाइटी लोग जो है अवेलेबल लैंड दिया है और कुछ स्ट्रक्चर भी यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सटेंशन के लिए अवेलेबल है और गवर्नमेंट भी उसको जानता है, गवर्नमेंट उसको विजिट कर चुका है और साइंस स्ट्रीम के लिए भी गवर्नमेंट उसको एरिया को देख चुका है और कॉलेज का तरफ से भी जरूरी है बोल के उसको लिखा भी है। तो अभी गवर्नमेंट, हमको क्या पता गवर्नमेंट क्या कारण से इसको डिले कर रहा है अभी, इसलिए जो लीगल एडवाइजर जो बोला है गवर्नमेंट क्यों डिले कर रहा है उसको जानने के लिए इसलिए 1 मंथ का टाइम दिया। अगर गवर्नमेंट इसको रिप्लाई नहीं ये कारण से रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाता, हम लोग अपना डेमोक्रेटिक मूवमेंट जो है हम लोग स्टार्ट करेगा। अगर गवर्नमेंट इसको कर देने में या रिप्लाई देने में फेल हो जाता है तो